Oh my goodness, like September literally flew by. I didn't even realize that the month was pretty much over. So in today's video, I am going to be planning for October. I am going to be doing a monthly reset where I do a budget overview for the month. I look at what's going on and I set plans and goals for myself to do action items and all those good things. So if that is something that you want to see how I, do, then go ahead and stay tuned. Besties, if this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If that's something that you're interested in, then I do encourage that you subscribe to the channel. And if you're a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. So I'm glad that I saw this page because I actually need to fill in the tracker because I do have some money saved for my 1 month ahead. But I'm gonna go over to October because we are entering into literally the last quarter of the year. And in October, it's gonna be a bit of a not scary month, but scary month, if you will. I will be officially terminated in October, and that date is October the 18th will be when I will be terminated from my company, and then I will then start to get my severance pay. And if I haven't explained it before, the way that it's gonna work is I'm gonna have to apply for unemployment, and then my company will pay me the remaining to make me whole as if I was getting a full paycheck. So we'll see pretty much how that goes, but I'm trusting God for sure. And I definitely come against any fear or anything that is definitely trying to creep in, because honey, it's trying to creep in. But I am praying like I'm not gonna be scared. So let me grab my stickers and let's go. So usually I decide what stickers I'm gonna use, and the stickers that I usually use is from Isis Ella Jules, and I really love her stickers because October is going into pretty much like the fall months. I do want to use like a fall inspired doll. Hopefully I do have one. Let's see what I have. I might use this green. Let me see, where are the rest of my dolls at? I know I have a lot more than this. At least I think I do. At least I thought I did. Oh, here they go. Right here. All right, let's see. Probably gonna use... It's gonna be a real chill month, especially because, I'm not sure how everything is gonna pan out for myself. So I really wanna use this one. Yeah, embrace, empower. So I'm gonna use this doll sticker here. And I'll leave the Isis Ella Jules, I'll leave her a link down below if you are interested. So I'm going to use that one because I am embracing the new times that I will be in come this month. And let's see if there's any other stickers I want to use. I'm going to use this candle here because I'm going to need to light some candles and have some serene time. Probably going to use these top stickers for my days of the week. Let me see. I really need some more stickers, to be honest with you. I need some more stickers. I'll take this time to reset and grow. Oh, I might use these stickers here. I should have used this doll. She's cute. Okay. Or her. Yeah, keep moving forward. I should have used her too. I'll use them on another one. So I am going to use these stickers here. I never do these right. They always come out looking crazy. And usually I do take some time to put these stickers out because I just really like when my spread is cute. And that's the reason why I use stickers. So I'm gonna finish setting this up, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna talk about my month of October. Hey besties, so let's talk about how October is going to go. And I think it's really important that I take time to reflect, take it easy, relax, take it one day at a time. Because in October, this will be the month that I will be fully terminated from my job. I stopped working in September, but the way that it worked was I stopped working, but I'm still being paid from the company all of September, and then I think all of October, but I have to confirm. I know that I'll be terminated on the 18th, so I may get my last paycheck on the 18th, or I might get it on the next payday, which is the 25th, but I'm not sure how that's gonna work. There is also a possibility for a bonus in the month of October, but I also have to see how that works as well. So let's go over my bills. So what we have here is on the first of the month, I have, a hefty amount of bills. I pay my mortgage, my HOA, my internet cable, my ADT, and my Sirius XM. And I didn't put any amounts next to them because they're already included in my paycheck budget for the last paycheck in September. So instead of me going to put the amounts, they're already there and they're already accounted for. So I just noted it here just to remind myself that these bills are due. And then I have my electric bill due on the 7th, and this is also going to be paid out of that last paycheck in the month of September. I will be paid a regular paycheck on the 11th. And with that paycheck, I'm going to need to pay for my life insurance, and I do have a gym membership, and I'll need to pay for that. And then I'll need to pay my car insurance, which is $175.93. I'm going to need to pay for Hulu Disney. And then I may get paid again on the 25th. If I'm paid again on the 25th, just like my regular pay, then of course I'll pay my solar bill, my utility bill, court, Apple, Netflix, and then probably my mortgage and all of that good stuff because I'll be going into November. Now, in the event that I'm paid on the 18th, I'm still going to be paying the same amount of bills because there's nothing else. Well, actually, this will already be paid from that paycheck, so we'll see how it goes. I'm not really sure how it's gonna work. I am gonna call and they'll explain to me how it works. Hopefully I'll be able to get in contact with someone. But I'm definitely in uncharted waters. When I was laid off before, I was given a lump sum of money, and then from there I was able to manage my life. This time, during my layoff, I'm getting a paycheck every 2 weeks, as if I was working, and it's actually 2 paychecks, as I talked about earlier. So it's going to be a little bit different for me. That is another reason why I want to take it easy in the month of October, because I don't know how things are going to be faring out. Now, as I turn over the page to the monthly goals, I do want to continue to save towards my 1 month ahead fund for my mortgage. I will be going on a no spend challenge, but this no spend challenge is going to be a spending fast. I want to connect this no spend challenge to really fasting and praying for what is to come. I can't see what is to come. I have desires, I have goals, or I have some things or some dreams that have been pressed upon my heart. And so I don't want to just do a no spend challenge, but I want to turn it into a no spend fast. I should have put not spending fast, put no spend fast. If you want to jump in on that, I'll do a video and I'll explain how I'll be doing it if you want to do it with me. I want to do an expense track. I want to save towards my car maintenance, my tires and brakes and those things, because I do need those. I want to work my side hustle. I need to call HR and ensure I have everything, correct or whatever I need for the end of my employment. I need to review my bills and see what I can reduce, if anything, and then still work towards debt freedom. I need to have faith over fear. And these are my top priorities. So start the car maintenance sinking fund, prepare for the full layoff, and start looking for another job. So I am just taking it easy. Drink my water, walk, and read. And when I go over to this part of the goals, I'll start my no spend fast, review my bills, and then look to getting 1 month ahead in my mortgage. I'm gonna have faith, full layoff in October, and I'm seriously gonna take it one day at a time. I think that's gonna be important for me to do. So this month I will definitely be taking it easy because I don't know what lies ahead, but I'm gonna trust God in this new season. I do have a birthday on the 25th of October. It's my niece's birthday. Outside of that, I really don't have anything else planned. I'm going to be sitting tight. I'm going to be really taking a moment to exercise, get outside, breathe some fresh air. I will be honest, I am feeling a little tense right now, and it's probably because it's about to be real. In September, I was kind of like, woo, I got this. But, I saw October as being far away. Now that I'm in October, I'm like, oh, shoot, the 18th is coming. September just flew by, and here we are in October. I will make sure that I refer back to these prayers, and also with my fast, I'm praying for new employment, and there are some other things that I'm praying for as well. But I need to remember Philippians 4:19, and my God will meet all of my needs according to the riches of his glory in Christ Jesus. I need to remember that he is my provider, and no matter who I'm employed by or who I'm not employed by, he will make a way out of no way, and I'm going to be his testimony. Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in a future. I truly believe that. And then Romans 8:28, and we know that all things work for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. These are all three scriptures that I will really be needing to read every single day. Because where I know a lot of you guys put in the comments, you guys are like, oh, I wish my faith was where your faith was. I mean, my faith is pretty strong, but now I'm really treading waters that I haven't been in a long time. And I really seriously need to trust God. Like I'm in a season of my life where I cannot see what lies ahead of me. And I can never see what lies ahead of me, but like more than ever, I don't know where my next paycheck is going to come from. You feel me? So I just have to really trust God and lean into him, okay? This is one of those seasons where I need to work, pray, work, pray, work, pray, work, pray, trust, work, pray, trust. Yeah, so I just wanted to note that October is, I'm not going to declare that it's not going to be easy on me, but I am going to be honest about how I feel. And I don't feel as secure as I was feeling in September. And it's probably just because the date is coming. But I will trust God and cast the emotion of not having enough, because two things cannot be true. Or I guess two things can be true, but I can be nervous, but then also have faith at the same time. But those things can't reside. So either I have faith or I don't. So that's, you know, yeah. So anyway, I'm also thinking about having prayer Mondays. Give this video a thumbs up or a like if you feel as though we should have prayer Mondays come back. And then you guys can also put that in the comments as well. I know that some people was asking me to do that again, and we did it in the beginning of the year. I think we did it in January and February, and it went great. You know, we had a good time in Christ and praying in the morning. So we could probably do that again, but let me know if that's something that you guys want to do. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. We are in the midst of a daily dose with Budget Treasures, or a daily dose of Budget Treasures, excuse me. And I need to get the flyer out. I haven't gotten it out, and I will get it out. But I'm so excited for the series of videos that will be coming up daily. Make sure you guys come back here. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. It really does help to get the content out. Please share this with a friend or two or three, with your circle of besties. And if you are not subscribed, please make sure that you are subscribed. I truly appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.